Hey guys, Captain Matt here, Lifetime Lighting. There's been some questions about loopable links and not really understanding what they are. So I'm just going to draw this out, see if this helps, right? This is going to be my beautiful spotlight. This is another spotlight. We'll call them creators here, right? This is an uplight. Over here we'll have a big path light, right? And down here we have another path light. And we got some moonlights in this tree, right? I got some moonlight here, moonlight here. Right, so a loopable lead, first I guess we'll start there, is right, we have a, it comes on any light. We always do custom lead lengths if you want, right? So we have from factory, right? You can do 5 foot, 15 foot, 30 foot, 45 foot, 60 foot, or you have a loopable lead, which basically just comes back into itself, right? So when you receive it, it is an uncut line, loopable lead, usually, 15, 30 foot loopable leads. And what this is 30 feet, right? And what this does is it allows you to cut, wherever you want. So if you cut right here, we'll pretend this is 15 feet, right? Cut. Well, now we have 15 feet this way, and we've got 15 feet this way, all with a factory connection right here, so that you can connect next bulb or next lamp here, next fixture here, right? Or, if you cut here, I guess we should do a different color. If you cut here, now we have 5 feet and 25 feet, so you can come 5 feet to maybe a J box and then 15 feet to your next light. So let's see if I can make that make any more sense. We'll stick with blue for the wire, right? So in this scenario, right, we have 3 lights up here in this area, and then we have 3 lights down here. Well, so for this one here, this path light on the right, we just would need maybe a 5 foot straight lead. So then we have this middle one. We're going to do daisy chaining. Okay, so maybe I want to do a 15 foot loopable lead here. So this comes from factory, right? Loopable. Well, then I do 5 feet this way. We'd make a connection here. I do 15 feet this way. And this one, I'm going to also do a loopable lead. I'm going to do a 30 foot loopable lead. All right, I'm going to connect it here, another connection point, and then we'll do it underneath the sidewalk over to here. This has just has a 5 foot straight lead. And these moonlights all have a 45 foot straight lead. So I'm going to come down the tree, and then just have this connection. So that's the beauty of the loopable leads. Let me know if that really, highlights how it's used. I know it's kind of hard and I'm not the best at drawing, but that's what I wanted to share with you guys on how to use a loopable lead. Once you figure it out, right, when you can just do any job and order it and not have to worry so much about keeping wire on your truck, everything changes, right? Because when I make an order, I do 15 foot, 5 foot, 30 foot, 45 foot, white wire, black, brown and tan wire, right? So that my guys just know where every single light goes, and we have to run a lot less wire off the reel, saving me a lot of time and money and increasing efficiency.